Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. In the ever evolving world of interior design, kitchen wall color combinations have undergone a fascinating transformation, ushering in a new era of creativity and style. Gone are the days of predictable, monochromatic kitchen walls. Today's trends are all about pushing the boundaries and embarrassing unique pairings that breathe life into your culinary space. One of the most refreshing departments from the past is the fusion of contrasting colors. Vibrant teal accent paired with warm, earthy terracotta tones create a visually striking and harmonious balance. This daring combination injects energy into the kitchen, turning it into a vibrant hub of creativity and culinary exploration. Another noteworthy shift is the size of muted pastels in unexpected partnerships. Soft body blues meet subtle blush pinks, resulting in a kitchen that feels gentle and welcoming, yet remarkably chic. These pastel blends evoke a sense of serenity, transforming your cooking heaven into a tranquil oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. Furthermore, the return of bold nature-inspired colors cannot be ignored. Deep forest greens combined with rustic, clay-like browns infuse your kitchen with an austere, organic ambiance. This eco-conscious color palette connects with you with the natural world while creating a space where you can truly save your culinary vendors. In conclusion, the latest kitchen wall color combination ideas are a departure from the past in their audacious imaginative pairings. Whether it's the striking contrast of teal and terracotta, the subtle harmony of pastel blues and pinks of the grounding berries, the forest greens and earthy browns, these trends redefine kitchen aesthetics, making them a source of inspiration and delighter of all who enter. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.